Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change video FPS on DJI Osmo 360. To do it, click on the button in the center of the bottom edge, but before you do that, make sure that you are in the video mode, because only video mode support it, right? If you go here now you can change the resolution. You can click on wide here to set it to standard, wide or ultra wide, and you can set the FPS. In 4K it's 100 FPS. In 6K, if I set it to 6K, I can set it to 50 or 60 or 48, 30, 25 or 24. In 8K I can also set it to some different values, probably the same as in 6K, and in 4K it's always 100 FPS. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.